Oh shoot! Wait, I did not change the Homelab software. Bro, I look so bad, but I don't care. Okay, let me set things up first, and then we'll proceed with it. Kappa. No kappa. I'm still connected. What the fuck? Okay, okay, okay. Okay, so everything's been set up correctly. Mm. Okay, so I'm done with the hardware part, I think. I guess for the most part, I'm done with it. The only thing that's missing is the Molex Y splitter, because from my PSU, right, it's connected to the PSU and then to the hard drives via Molex, and the cable only has like three Molex connectors. So I need a splitter to be able to power all the hard drives. Although I only got like four hard drives right now, so I mean it's enough, but for just for future upgrades, just to be sure, right? So this stream is a sort of the configuration for the Homelab. Mm, okay, so I've installed Proxmox like on the last stream, but I'm not satisfied with it. Um, I will reinstall it right now with the, I think, with more knowledge, right? Okay, let me just move you closer to it. By the way, this is the server. That is the server. As you see, the one of the side is still open because that's where the splitter will go in here. Okay, but I can't record the screen, so I just need to point it in there. But it should be quick. It's just Proxmox installation. It's just the hypervisor, so After that, I'll just move on. I'll move on to the. After this, I'll just move on to share. I'll just share my screen. Oh shit! Wait, and I forgot to post a story for this one, right? God damn, I look bad. Okay, so just plug in the installer. What the fuck? Okay. So how do I? Guess I just need to click this and then open it. What is that sound? Delete? Maybe press delete. Oh, did or have to? Okay, there's a weird sound on the server, and I think that is the fan, like getting too close to the. No, it is not. It's not the fan. Is it the fan? I don't know. Please select the USB hard drive. This one. Image saved. Oh, it took a screenshot. What the hell? Let's boot on the hard drive, save changes, and reset. Okay. It's booting up. Install Proxmox VE terminal UI. So sorry, it's too far. Can I move it closer? Wait 1 second. I'm so sorry. That's as far as that's as far it can go. So gotta do what you gotta do. Did like this, yeah. And then let me find my configuration here. Only weird thing here is this. I don't see the full text because not sure what's happening, but it's extending onto the side. So yeah, let's make this quick and just move on to the browser. Just looking for my configuration. Okay, so this is the end user license agreement. Agree. Target hard disk. I want to install it. ZFS RAID 1. There's also option for wait. Huh? So there's option for ZFS RAID 1. What I want is a RAID 1 configuration, right? But there's an option as well for RAID Z-1 and ButterFS RAID 1. So I need to check what are the difference. So is the difference between ZFS RAID 1 and ZFS RAID Z-1. Wait. 1 -1 and ButterFS RAID 1. I'm using it for my Proxmox installation. ZFS RAID 1 traditional mirroring setup, okay. ZFS RAID Z1, a parity-based rate configuration over redundancy between party to cross. This scales the number of these lower than RAID 1 in some workloads. Okay, so I don't want parity here. right? I just want a regular RAID 1 configuration. So let's get back to the Homelab RAID 1, and we deselect all drives because by default it selects all the available drives. So I want to install uh, the a hypervisor, the Proxmox on my two NVMe drives, so NVMe 0 and 1 and NVMe 1 and 1. So that's okay. I think, wait, let me try to put this in using manual focus, and I forgot how they focus with this guy. I forgot which one to. Okay, well, I guess let's move on to AF. I'm so sorry. What can I do? Like this? Oh, the screen is flickering. No. Well, you still can't see it either way. Let's go back to the original settings. This is gonna be quick. It's gonna be quick. I'm just okay. Installation. Press OK. We hit next. Country set to the Philippines. LMNO P. Time zone Asia Manila. Keyboard layout is US English. Hit next. Write in the password. And administrator email. And then we hit next. Okay, so what was the host name that I selected here? So management interface. Again, there are two choices. One starts with EN, and the second one starts with WL. So EN stands for, I think, Ethernet. WL stands for wireless interface. So we're connecting this Homelab via Ethernet LAN. So we're hitting the first one. The host name would be I forgot, HL1 dash Proxmox 1 dot com, and then the IP address for this one is 10.1. 1 is the location. The second octet, I think, is what it's called. 10. The 1 is the location. So since I don't have plans of creating new like servers, but for best practices, they said that it's nice to include the location. So 1 is the location. I think of using the 10, like 10.10, but it's hard. I think it's gonna be hard to manage because it's going to be 10.10.10.1, and I think it's a little bit longer. 10.1. Wait, let's see. Wait, 10.1. Bro, I swear something is okay. Let me just while thinking. Um, 10.10. Wait, 1 second. There's still a sound, but I think it's the hard drive already. Okay, 10.1 or 10.10. What do you want to use here? 10.10. Okay. Hey, /24. I'm not sure about the others. Should I use 10.10, the 10.0 instead of 10.1 for the IP? The second octet is for the location. Just asking. Should I use 10.10 or 10.1? I'm checking my notes. Okay, I think 10.10 sounds good. I'm not gonna lie. Ten dot one or 10.10? 10.1. Okay, let me write it down to see if it looks cute. 10.1.10. Dot 0, right? And then the next VLAN would be 20. Next VLAN would be 30. Next one would be 40. Does it look good? How about this? 10.10.10.0, 10.10.10.20, 10.1.10. Is it easier to pronounce? .1. Which one's better, bro? I feel like this one's hard to pronounce. 10.1.10, 10.1.20, 10.1.30, 10.1.40. Okay. Sounds better. 10 or 10.1. It's easier to pronounce. Bro, this is tough. I want everything to be perfect. That's why. Mm, okay, I'm gonna use 10.10, alright? Okay, 10.10.10.0 is the IP address. The gateway address would be 10.10.10 um dot one, right? Then the DNS server address would be, I think, 1.1.1.1 for the Cloudflare. Yeah, Cloudflare DNS. Internal DNS server if you have one. I don't know. I don't know a lot about DNS yet, and aside from their assigned like domain name to the IPs, but that's it. Okay, is the bro? It's this. These fucking hard drives are so annoying. Like, it's making a sound. It's so annoying. Is it the hard drive? Okay. I think this one sounds good. So we press next. ZFS RAID 1. Asia Manila. Install. Okay. Well, I think it's good. It's good already. So I'm gonna bring this 1 second. The camera back. Shoot, I'm muted. Hmm. I may have made something wrong. The fuck? Okay, let's see. 10.10 the 08006. 10.10.10 the 08006. Why is it not working? Why? Why is it not working? The hell? Okay, let's try to go to the guide.
Modern CPU types as well, especially if the software that you want virtual machine, as that's really what most of you are probably here to watch this video. Or by default, the installer thinks you want to use every disk that's currently installed in your server. While I do appreciate its enthusiasm, again, we're only going to be using our two 1TB NVMe drives. At the bottom of the window, click the button to deselect everything set up the line as stack IP address. I'll explain the network setup in a little bit more detail later on, but for now, enter an address that will work on your network, and then click install so we can get everything set in stone. Once the installation finishes, we're actually done working directly on the server with a keyboard, mouse, and monitor connected. Everything from this point out will happen through a web browser and Proxmox's web interface. Open up Edge, Netscape, or whatever browser you prefer, and enter HTTPS.
Why is it not working? Ping 10.10.10.08006. Okay, without the port number. It can't reach it. What the fuck? They're all they're both connected via LAN. Let me see what's going on. Ethernet. Ping. Let's try pinging 192.168.254.101. It can't see it. Okay. What's happening here? I've set it up. I can't access the server. And could it be the 6? Okay, let's try. VVE dash firewall stop. Okay. Now we can ping, I guess. Destination host unreachable. Well, Hmm. Let's check system CTL status PV proxy active and running. How about PVE daemon? It's running. Could be the router. Let's check. Let's try to log in. Router. Okay. Why is it not working? Okay, let's see. LAN routing. Local network. LAN. Routing. IP route. Via 10.10.10.1. What if you ping 10.10.1 instead of 10. It's not working. No, okay. I don't want my PC. I don't want to change the IP of my PC. So, guess we go to the router settings. It's called LAN routing or static routing. Add route if necessary. Should I change my IP? I don't think that's a good idea. Let's try manually putting IP. 10. No, I don't want that. I don't want that. Proxmox gateway is working okay. Settings is not it. Need to change the PCIP. I think need to change it in the router. What should I do? Inter-subnet routing. Okay. Advanced routing and static routes. Oops. Let me just log in again. User. Grab my password. Log in. Go to local network. Then LAN status maybe. LAN client status. LAN. DHCP server. CP binding, port control. Yeah, I think it's in routing, right? Okay, static routing. And then, let me share my screen so I can see. So I'm in static routing right now. It wants me to destination network. Add a static route to link the subnets. This is the destination. Subnet mask is 255.5.5.0. Okay, so this is the destination. 10.10.10.10.10.0. Gateway is the router's IP. Destination, that's this one, right? Gateway, router's IP in the. Okay, the router's IP is 192.168.254.254. Metric is 1. That's the name. Oh, it should be Internet 1. Name is to connect to Homelab. Why? Data have been stored. Okay. Maybe policy routing is the right thing. Wait, let's ping this. Request timeout. Oh, shoot. Interland routing. This is tough, bro. Port control, DHCP binding, routing, policy routing, WLAN. Internet 1. Cost security. DDNS? No. I think it's only here. Should I go use static routing or policy routing? Test internet. Any? Source is probably this. 2168.254. Oops. 254.254. Then 10 that 10 that 10 that 0. Apply. IP address and source mask does not match. Please input again. I don't know, bro. It said just go static routing, static routes. Destination 10, subnet mask, gateway the router's IP, intralan, allow intra VLAN. I can't. Management diagnosis, system management, diagnosis, ping diagnosis. Okay, 0. Enable VLAN routing. I don't think that's possible here. Yeah, I can't reach this. VLAN, there's no VLAN here. LAN status. Client 1 and client 2. I can see them both. I mean, how do I make them see each other? LAN, DHCP server, secondary IP, DHCP panning port control. Okay. I guess really here in the routing part. What is this? Can I go here? Do the 168 that 254.0. There should be nothing in here. Should be nothing in there. Internet 1. It's not working. That one? Hell nah. Troubleshoot this. My router IP address is 268.254.254. It's not working. I've set up static routing. Enable VLAN routing. Internet security. No, local network. Should be a local network. IP route is working okay. Default via 10.10. Okay, from your PC, ping the router. Okay, this one should work, right? Ping router. Sounds good. Ping 192.168.10. I mean the 254.254. Oh, it can't. Oh, so my home lab is not cannot reach the firewall, the router. The adder. IP address. I don't see. Right. I see. Fold via 10.1. The VMBR0 to kernel on link. Check the current network configuration. So we can't actually. cat/c/network/interfaces. Um, auto LO. iFace to idet loopback. Address 10.10.10.0. What? State up mode. IPADDR. IP link show. Oh my god, bro. Check ETH network interface. Yeah, I think cat slash etc slash network slash interfaces. Okay, auto LO, auto VMBRO, interface VMBRO iNet static. Yeah, that's correct. 10.10.10.0 net mask. There's no net mask. Yeah, bridge ports. That's correct. Correct. Okay, so it want me to manually assign an IP to the interface. So let's try. IP ADDR 10.10.10.0/24 dev EMP 7S0. Okay. Is unknown. Try IP address help. IP ADDR. IP route at default via 10.10. Eh. Or 10.10.0/24 is unknown. Try IP address help. Oh, stupid ass. I need to add the word add. Okay, that's been added, and then IP routes at default via 10.10.10.1. Netlink answers file exists. So let's try IPDDR again. Okay, I can now see my IP address. 192.1.6. Let's try pinging the router that 254.254. Still can't ping it. Okay. system. Okay, let's try to restart it first. System ctl restart networking. Okay. IP attr show vmbr0. I can see my IP 10.10.10.0. I mean, is that correct? Let's try pinging it. No, it's not working. Set the IP address to dot 0. Or show VMP or 0. Okay, I may have used the wrong IP address. No, 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 no. IP route add default via 10.10.10.1 file exists. It said IP attr show vmbr0. You should see okay. I can ping it now. But I see scope global vmbr0 10.10.10.0/24 and scope global secondary vmbr0 in 10.1/24. I want to remove the first one and put the secondary as primary. Should I do that? So I want to remove the old one. So So IPATTR delete 10.10.10.0/24 dev VMBR 0. Then so everything got removed, so we have to add it again. So IPADDR add 10.10.10.1/24 def VMBR 0. Okay, and then IPADDR show VMBR 0. Okay, I can see the IP now. Okay, check the routing table, IP route, default. The result of the 10. Just 1 second. IP//24 dev VMPR 0 proto kernels link src 10.10.10.1. I think that's correct. Want me to delete it again, bruh? Deal. Add. So it want me to IP route add default via 10.10.10.1 dev VMPR 0. Okay, and then we do IP route again. It's the same thing. The hell? It's the same thing. IP route add default, right? Oh, I see it now. Okay, default via. Okay. Okay. Just troubleshooting. Proxmox, bro. Like, I thought this thing is just gonna work. See, I can see. Okay, So we're good now. So let's try pinging 10.10.10.1. Okay, I can ping it. Let's try pinging the 68.254.254. Okay, so I can ping. Can now ping 10.10.10.1, but I can't still ping my router. Bruh. Check the router static routes. So there's something wrong with my routing. Wait, let's see. Just log in. Go local network. Go routing. Static routing. The network address destination is. So I guess I need to do policy routing. Internet 1 to connect to Homelab. Source IP is. No. Why did I remove it? Oh, shoot. Internet 1. So the network address is, I guess, the destination. So 10.10. 0. 254.254.254.0. Gateway is 10.10.10.1. We hit apply. Current version of the parameters. What is going on? Oh my god.
This bookshelf calling Proxmox 8.0, getting your first couple VMs set up. Always, I'm Jeff. In my last video, I went over the hardware selection for this bookshelf-friendly NAS build, and while I did run into a couple difficulties with fitment, I did manage to get everything installed and running. A quick recap for those that didn't see this video, this is an 8-bay server chassis from Oddhide, which I loaded up with a full set of HGST HE6 SATA Enterprise disks. For the PC side of things, we're running an Erying Micro ATX motherboard fitted with an Intel i9 11800H mobile CPU, which gives us a deadly combination of low power consumption and high-end speed, all while having 8-core 3200 meg. I did have 2 of the SATA ports stick straight out of the top of the card. Properly closed, like that. See, it even screws down. Look at that. You can fit why I went with the answer comes down to how I wanted to use this card and slots available on the motherboard. See, we're going to virtualize TrueNAS, which means the VM needs bare metal access to all of the hard drives. The easiest and AS medium press slot. Since there's only one X16 slot on this motherboard and a 1X card only. Literally an infinite number. This is the combo that I decided on. And even with 8X spinning drives, I don't expect to be able to saturate the 10 gigabit bandwidth of the PCI Express 3.0 X1 lane on network connection once I install the network card. For my use case, this is going to do everything that I want and helps keep costs as low as possible on literally every single component, as this SATA controller was only about $55 and a 10 gig network card would be around $30 for this slot. All in all, for a $1,000 virtualization and storage server, I think the results are going to be pretty fantastic. With the hardware sorted, let's go ahead and do what we came here to do, install Proxmox. Head up that I reviewed last, the Proxmox installer. If you're a Proxmox veteran, the installer really hasn't changed at all since at least version 5, so it's going to be all business as usual for you. But this is a tutorial, so we're going to walk through it all anyway. The first step is to read the entirety of the end-user license agreement, which I'm sure all of you will take the time to do. Click the I agree button to continue, assuming you actually agree and aren't just saying that so we can move forward. The second screen is the one that needs your attention. You can select which multi-drive setup is right for you. My preference is usually to
It's not connected to the internet. Yeah, it can't connect to the internet. Brother. Just check some forums. Uh should I have done this offline instead of live streaming? What the fuck? Um okay, so this guy did do did a fresh I mean reinstall of Proxmox, and what he did is he put the same IP for the DNS server and gateway. So I might try to do that, but let's check for um you should have auto in. Bruh. Bro, this is so annoying. What is that sound? Is it the hard drive? Wait, can I just remove these hard drives? Well, I'm gonna remove them later and then turn it on. Let's see. Let's get rid the documentation, yeah? Excuse. Bro! What the hell? What the fuck? Then now looking at the documentation of Proxmox. So installation, let's go to installation. Proxmox V installer, the terminal UI is what I used. Okay. Oh my god. Why? I thought this is gonna be easy. Okay. Okay, let's try this. Let me set my computer's IP to static. And then IPv4. Let's try it. Let's try it on the same subnet. 10.10.10. Probably 5. 5. 5.5.0. Gateway is 10.10.10.1. Is it the gateway? What was the gateway? That one, yeah. For DNS, I don't know. Save. Prefer DNS. Save. Okay. Now, do I still have access to the internet if I'm doing this? I now don't have access. No access anymore. Oh shit. Okay. I if I change it like that, yeah, obviously I won't be able to connect to the router. So the problem right now is different IP. I mean, they're on different, obviously different LANs because they're on a different LAN port and their IPs. I mean, they're not on the same subnet. Proxmox on a different subnets. Okay, so I guess I need to actually change this. The static routing, right? Because, oops, got like that. What's the password to my router? Because if I look at this status, LAN client status, I can see the Homelab address in here. So the problem is they're not on the same subnet. That's why they can't see each other. So I probably the configuration needs to be done in here in the router so they can't see each other. Just follow the guide. Mm-hmm. Okay. Let's send this to ChatGPT to see. So error is in the routing on the modem. I have options in the modem named static routing. It has name, one connection, network address, and subnet mask, gateway, and gateway. One more option is policy routing with name, one connection, source IP address, source mask, destination IP address, destination mask, protocol, and what's that? Source MAC address. This is it. Okay, so connect to Homelab. One connection is internet LAN. Network address is 10.10.10.0, 10.10.0. Subnet mask 255.255.0, and the gateway is 10.10.10.1. Ah, got logged out. Fuck. Routing, static routing, connect to Homelab. 1, 10, 10, 10, 0, 255, 50, 10, 10, 10, 1. Alright, apply. Your data have been stored, okay? I just did that. The model or firewall stronger. Okay. Still not working. Oh my god, bro. Oh, so much. It's too much. Okay. So it's not gonna work. He said. It only supports voice over IP and Internet One. So I mean, Interland probably is not working. So let's try LAN policy. Okay, Internet One. 10 0. Source mask is 255.255.255.0. Destination is 192.168.2540. 255.255.255.0. Protocol is any and apply. Your data have been stored. Okay, testing and debugging. Ping your router from Proxmox. Let's try pinging Proxmox first in here. Still not working. I need to buy a router for this. Oh my god. Trace route. Oh, there's no trace route in here. Let's try on the Proxmox trace route. 192.168.254.254. It is not working. Enable NAT on Proxmox. Bro. What a fucking mess, man. So, I mean, buying a router. I think we have a spare router at home. I'm pretty sure. Wait, let me ask my brother. Wait, where's my eyeglasses? Oh. Okay, so it's not working. So ChatGPT told me that there are two options. Um, it's either I buy a router or I enable NAT, network address translation, on Well, let's try that. If it's not gonna work, then tables dash D, not dash A. Post routing dash 0 VMBR 0 dash J masquerade. Then doesn't work. Just doesn't work. Okay. Fuck. Let's try reinstalling Proxmox. Okay, shut it off. I'm gonna remove the hard drives because I'm not sure which one is making the annoying noise. So I'm gonna remove them first. Fuck. Ooh. Then turn it in. Yeah, the noise is coming from the hard drive. Boot to the 500 byte drive. Ah, what a mess. Proxmox VE terminal UI. Ah! What the hell? What's that? Can I just plug in this hard drives while the server is running? Okay. Router. Login. Local network. Status. Log client status. Okay, it gave it 168.254.102. Okay. Let's see. So does it want me to use the I think this thing will work if I use if if we're on the same subnet, right? And the subnet is wait. Proxmox. We have network. What a mess. Okay. Uh. Okay, so let's try this new guide. Okay. First, I agree. Um, Advanced options for installation. I want to use DFS RAID 1. Is that the right thing? ZFS RAID 1? Okay. Do not use NVMe 0. Okay. Okay. Next, let's look for Philippines on the country. Mm, Philippines, US English for the keyword layout. Next, root password. Um, what? What the fuck? Click next. Okay. ENPS. Okay. Host name is shell1 dash proxmox1.com. Host. Okay. The IP address is what? Wait. Wait. Fuck. Gateway address. Okay, 10.10.1. Okay. 10.10.1/24. The gateway is 10.10.10.254. DNS server is the router IP. 254. Or use Google DNS. Okay. Cool. And then hit next. Install. Should be quick. Oh. 69%. Nice. Come on. This is the third installation of Proxmox, bro. Ah. Make system bootable. Bro, it's 4 p.m. already. What the fuck? I have not achieved anything yet. This stuff. Reboot now. Why did it freeze? Okay. Okay, let's cat slash etc slash network slash interfaces. Okay, so address is 10.10.1. Gateway is 10.10.10.254. Bridge ports. Bridge STP off. Okay, that looks good. Oh, what? iNet loopback. Okay. Auto VMBR 0. Okay. Let's type hostname CTL. Static hostname is what? Initial one dash Proxmox 1. Icon name computer. Chassis. Desktop. Should be server, but it's okay. Pretty host name. Okay. Test network connectivity. So ping 10.10.10.254. Yeah, it can't ping it yet. Yeah, it's not reachable yet. Ping google.com. Should not work. Okay. I can ping 10.1, but not google.com. What the? What the? What the hell? Bruh, I'm tired. I need to plan this thing. Yeah. I need to do my research first. I did not know that my router is not capable of doing interlan, you know, routing. I might need to get. Yeah, because I think it should work like right away. Right? So buying a router is the last, last thing that I want to do. But this is tough, bro. Stuff. Let's try. CTL.conf. Following line net. How do I get out of Nano, bro? Oh my god. This is so fucked. There's no Control C. How to exit out of Nano, bro? How to exit Nano? Control X. Okay. No. Yeah, sure. Oh, I see. I see. It's because yeah. Net.ipv4. So net IPv4 dot IP underscore forward equals 1. Okay. And then let's save it. How do you save here? Exit. Yes. Did it save? It saved, yeah. Then save CPL dash B. Okay. Okay. Still not working. Yeah, what have I done? I don't want to reinstall Proxmox again. Yeah. Never mind. I'm just gonna reinstall it. Jesus. Exit. Okay. This stream is cuffed. I'm gonna do my research first to make sure that everything goes well on the next stream, or I don't know. So do I just like do this without streaming? I don't know as well. Yeah. All right. That's about it.